Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Buds, yet another episode with another recipe. And today, you know what, it's a chicken day at Taste Buds. Yes, we are going to be preparing this wonderful chicken dish. And how many ingredients do you think is required to prepare this dish? Probably 10? No, we're just going to prepare this chicken dish with 6 or 7 ingredients. And what dish are we going to make? It is the chicken chops, which is a wonderful starter, and also it can be used as a side dish for roti or naan or whatever. And how are we going to prepare it? Well, we'll answer that question in a short while. Okay, to start with, I'm heating 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and I'm adding mustard to let it crackle. And then I'm adding dry masalas, which is the bay leaf, cinnamon, and cloves. To this, I'm adding red chilies, which is de-seeded. Seeds have been removed. And also I'll be adding garlic and curry leaves. So ensure that it is on sim because it will get burnt so easily. Let's fry the garlic and curry leaves for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now we are going to add the finely chopped onions. For 1 kg of chicken today, I've taken about 3 to 4 onions, which is finely chopped. So we just need to keep mixing it until the onion turns golden brown in color. As you can see, the onion is slowly transforming into golden brown. Now is the time to add turmeric powder, probably half to 1 teaspoon. So the quantity that I'm specifying today is for 1 kg of chicken. You can add or reduce it accordingly. So we'll add salt as per our taste preference. And now is the time to add the cut chicken. As you can see, I have cut the chicken into very small pieces, and it is a boneless chicken that we are using for this recipe. So it should be tiny pieces, as the name suggests, it's chicken chops. The moment we add the chicken, you can see that the color of the chicken is changing from pink to white. So you just need to mix it really well to ensure that the color change is seen all over. Now for this preparation, we are going to sprinkle very little water. Very little water because chicken by itself is going to ooze out some water eventually. So we'll just simmer it on medium to low flame for about 15 minutes, and the chicken will start to change color slowly. You just have to keep mixing it every once in a while, and as you can see, you observe the color change, and also we are getting a good consistency of the chicken. The entire process should take about say 20 to 25 minutes because these are boneless cut pieces. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it. This is a very simple dish that we can try at home, and very less ingredients, but it tastes really well. So it's almost done. So I'm going to add a little bit of curry leaves. I like curry leaves at the end. So we're going to add it 2 times, one at the beginning and one at the end. The dish is finally done. Do try it and share your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and the recipe that we have prepared for you today, the chicken recipe. Do try it at home. Let us know how it goes. And also, if you have any comments, please do share it. Most importantly, I'm requesting you to subscribe to Taste Buds so that we can reach you instantaneously for the new content. Thank you so much. I'll be getting back to you with new recipes, and until then, stay tuned.